Y'all, so TikTok might actually get banned. Now, whether or not it actually happens this time, we're not about to sit here and let all of our hard work, favorite videos, and content go down with it. So no, nope, we're getting prepared today, right now. In this video, you and I are going through everything we need to do just in case TikTok actually disappears this go around. And let's be real, this app has been a blessing. It has cracked me up in my worst times. I used to be sad in bed. Worst day of my life, I'll go on TikTok and I'm cackling. That is hard to find nowadays. So it's hard to find an app that resonates so well, especially with Gen Z. So get right into all the things you need to do before TikTok gets banned. Let me show y'all something. This is my TikTok account. On here, I usually do like personal development type of videos, all that. You see how I keep scrolling? And I keep scrolling. We have to save our videos, and I'm serious, because imagine TikTok vanishes and you lose all of your evolution. Because I've had TikTok since it was Musical.ly. 10 years. So there are so many funny moments, glow ups, little dance moves, 2020, the pandemic, little era, and I don't want to lose that, and I won't let you lose that either, not on my watch. If you only have a few videos, you weren't really a poster, you can just save them directly in the app. Easy go, lucky for you. All you gotta do is hit the share button and click save video. Easy, and then boom, it's on your phone. If you're like me and you post a lot, you got a whole catalog of content. So if you do it one by one, it's literally gonna take you forever. Instead, we need to use a site like Snaptic or Save TT. You just copy your profile link, paste it into the site, and download everything. Watermark free at that. It's quick, it's easy, and your video will look as clean as possible, especially if you need to post them somewhere else later. I do a lot of repurposing as a content creator, and if you're not doing that, what are you doing? But anyways, I really recommend saving these videos onto a laptop or a hard drive and organize them into folders so you know where everything is. First you have your TikTok folder, then you have your personal development folder, your funny videos, you know what I'm saying? You don't want just a bunch of your random TikToks floating around in your camera roll, whether you're saving it directly on your phone or saving it directly on your laptop. Thank me later. All right, now let's talk about drafts, because y'all know drafts are a sacred place. I have hundreds, loads. If TikTok disappears, your drafts are gone. It's it, nada, done with. And I know some of y'all got some heat sitting in there, and y'all need to have that to go when you never know when you might need them again. So here's the move. Let me show y'all. I don't want to show too much of my dress because y'all gotta like, let's say I was trying to post this one. Oh, no, too much cuss word. Let's say I was gonna post this one. This is a draft. I don't want to actually post it to the public, but I want to save it. All we're gonna do is click this and change it to only you. Then we post it. We wait. Once it's posted, go over to your private videos over there, and then you can just save it from there without the watermark, because as long as it's your video, you can save it without the watermark being on there. Look at my nails. Tell me I ain't go to a nail salon. Honestly, the best decision that I made moving forward to save money in this economy was getting press on. I recommend doing it that way. That way it's actually in the TikTok server as well, just in case, you know, it doesn't actually get banned. Instead of going through one by one and screen recording all of your drafts, that's just a mess. And you got all the little things on the side, and it's just not cute. But hey, if you don't feel like posting them and doing all that, you can just go ahead and screen record. Just play the draft full screen, screen record it, and trim the video afterward. I'll show y'all how to do that as well. So you would just click next, make this full screen, and then just screen record your draft from there. However, I find this is a bit more tedious, and there's still some things on the side, and we don't like that. Again, we want the cleanest look possible when we're saving our videos. I know all of that is going to take a while regardless of what method you decide to do, but listen, you're gonna be mad if all of your content disappears because you were lazy and you didn't want to back it up and take a little 30 minutes out of your day. One by one, just get it done. Your future self will appreciate it. Now this one is for all of us who spend hours going through TikTok, because let's be real, some of them creators feel like family. Parasocial relationships are real, and I'm not on a scale of 10 on it. I'm probably like a scale 2, 3 with a couple of my favorite creators. Anyway, if TikTok goes, you don't want to lose them, right? I honestly, truly recommend taking the time to go through your own following, lurk on your own account, and just check out some of your favorite creators. If there's someone you really like, make sure you check their bio. They usually link their other platforms there, and just follow them so you don't lose them. Most of them have backup accounts on Instagram, YouTube, or wherever else they feel like posting. Check their bios. If you don't see anything, just search your name up in a different platform. 9 times out of 10, they're using the same handle anyways. And look, if you love someone's content, don't wait until TikTok's gone. Just follow them now. And I feel like what happens to me is I have a lot of favorite creators, but sometimes I forget about them. So literally just go through your following list and remember them and keep in contact with your OGs. Now let's talk backup for the backups. If TikTok actually disappears, where are we gonna go? Here's a few apps that's on my radar and I think everyone should start checking out now, because they might just be the new TikTok. First off, Instagram Reels. It is basically TikTok's cousins, but with some pictures. And I've gotten into Instagram Reels. I feel like they just have to work on their feed. The interface is super nice. It's just sometimes the feed is just like, what's going on here? But Instagram Reels is hilarious. But I think the difference with Instagram Reels is just the community on there. It's a bit more maybe mean. I'll be laughing at an Instagram Reel. I click on the comments and I see a million hate comments and some essays. What is going on? Number 2, if you're already watching YouTube, this is a no-brainer. YouTube Shorts. I personally haven't gotten too into YouTube Shorts as a viewer, but I do post plenty of YouTube Shorts on there, and they usually tend to do pretty good. So that goes to show that there's an audience on there for sure. Number 3 is a smaller app, but I think it might just be on a come up. This is Lemon8. If you know, TikTok has been promoting it crazy lately. I has requested to follow you on Lemon8. I don't even have an account on Lemon8. What are you talking about? But I gave in and just set that up. It's definitely literally like another version of TikTok, to be honest. However, I don't know how I feel about Lemon8. It's just gonna take some time to adjust, but follow me on there for sure. But yes, if you're a creator, start posting on those 3 platforms right now. Don't miss out. Don't wait until TikTok is officially gone to start building your momentum. And just experiment. You never know, one of these new apps could be your new favorite app. It could be the new app where you boom, you know what I'm saying? I love looking for a new platform because it just gives everyone new opportunities to come up. And but all right, y'all, that is it. Now y'all know exactly what to do to stay ahead of the game in case TikTok actually gets banned. Save your videos, back up your drafts, follow your favorite creators, and just start exploring those alternatives. And I just gave y'all a lot of hints and tips all in one 8-minute video, so make sure you subscribe on your way out, like the video, leave me a comment, one of those 3 or all of the above, just so this video gets out to other people and they stay updated on what to do and you know how to. Anyway, we are so close to 8,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Right now I'm at 7,977 subscribers, so hopefully I get to 8,000 before like the end of the month or something like that. I don't know. My goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers this year, so we'll see how that goes. But once we hit 10K, I'm doing a big giveaway. I'm doing my big one. I can't wait for that. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Still follow me on there, and Snapchat. All 3 of my platforms. Instagram's at Truly Haja, TikTok is at Truly Haja, and Snapchat is both of these accounts. I'm gonna start posting more on Snapchat. Let's just stay connected no matter what happens. But anyways, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Wait a minute. Who are you?